Hey, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video, we'll be drawing Gudetama the Lazy Egg. All you need is something to draw with, something to draw on, and something to colour with. So let's get started. Alright, so let's draw Gudetama. He is Lazy Egg, so we're going to draw him lying down. Now the first thing I'm going to draw is a little arm. So this is arm in the foreground, it's in the front. So it's just a small curve like that. Good thing about Gudetama is that he's an egg, so he's quite wobbly, so you don't have to draw him perfectly. Now let's draw the back leg, because he's lying down on his front. So we draw a little bit of a knee here, and go down the leg, and he's got a little foot that kind of sits like that. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, and then just draw a line here to join the two together. That's kind of his belly. And let's draw the rest of his body. We'll go up like that, a bit of a curve. There's a little bit of a dip at the top, and then we'll go up and draw his head. Now when we go down, we're going to make him lying on his cheek, so he's got a bit of a flat edge there. And we can draw, just sticking out a little bit on the other side, is his other arm. So that's his body, and now let's draw his face. Nice and easy. You've got two little eyes, just round, kind of almond shape there, like that. Now, and then his mouth. Now, because he's lying on his cheek, I'm going to draw a little curve there, so it looks like he's lying on his cheek is getting squashed up. And then just draw his usual sad mouth. So that's Gudetama, and he's lying on his, I guess, his egg white. So, and it's just like drawing a big puddle, and you can just randomly draw some squiggly sort of shapes like that. There we go. Alright, and that's Gudetama. The next step is to colour in. Alright, and we're done. So that's Gudetama coloured in. It's a very easy character to colour. He's an egg, so he's just basically yellow. I've just added some highlights in there and some shadows there as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing Gudetama. Check out our channel, got lots of other videos for you to enjoy as well. See you next time. Bye!